Is it still good? Oh, you're wet. It's like almost 6:30 in the morning. It's still kind of dark. I need to go to the bathroom. I'm so tired. This battery's almost dying. It's a little bit chilly this morning. Not gonna lie. Sounds like a ghost. I need to pee.
Serenaded at 6 a.m.
This is like, I think, the darkest I've ever woken up at 6:30 in the morning.
Is it cloudy?
It's, I guess so. Yeah, you can see the mist in the distance.
Alright.
We are leaving Bull Canyon Campground, BC Parks.
Great campground, highly recommend.
Especially one that you have a view of the river.
Turquoise River.
Yeah. By far the easiest day yesterday, I thought, drive-wise, because it was just highway driving.
Yeah, there's a little bit of a gravel road section, but it was just down that canyon, which was just nice to look at. So
yeah, that canyon was nice. I'd go back there again, 100%.
Doesn't really bug you to drive it, kind of thing.
No. We didn't see any animals, unfortunately, but I got some sick photos and videos.
I'm just here for the animals.
We pulled into that campground at like what? 5, just a little after 5.
It was like 5:36, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice campground, worst firewood.
Yeah, half the time we were trying to get that fire going. You were getting a little frustrated with it.
I've gotten the fire going 100% of the time, every time. And this one just didn't want to go, and I used 2 of your fire starters.
Yeah, I even used, yeah, I know. And then I shaved some of the magnesium off.
And then we used a Raisin Bran box,
yeah.
Like a full box.
Yeah.
But we are headed to a grizzly bear viewing platform. I guess it's a spot they like to conjugate on the river to catch fish. So it's going to be a few hour drive to get there. But once we get there, they'll hopefully still be on the river. Hopefully we'll see stuff in this early morning fog. This is beautiful.
There you go. There you go. Oh, that little guy right there.
Yep.
That's so cute.
This one's still pretty young too, this multicolor one.
Yeah.
Not seeing any branding or anything.
They just let them go.
I'm wondering if there's some of them are wild, a couple of them are wild, and the ones inside the fence are
Maybe.
owned.
Cool.
Just hanging out, socializing, you know, as animals do.
Awesome. Wildlife today than any other day. Mostly cows though.
Combined,
yeah. We saw some horses. I saw a deer. But it's mostly cows. first, then pay. Generally, it's what you said. You pay and then you pump, but...
Wait for a second.
We have made it to Anaheim Lake, which is great. But as soon as we pass through the town, we're probably going to reset the counter because it's going to be maybe 80 to 100 kilometers to our actual point of interest. Is that correct?
Yep.
Yeah. Should we know we're still in the town?
You can actually probably hit it now.
Yeah? Okay. Resetting.
So yeah, that Haggensburg is 118 and we're before that.
Oh, this is now gravel road?
And the promise of gravel road.
There we go. First gravel road we've seen all day. Just at a viewpoint, basically left the Chilcotin. Now we're still heading towards the viewing platform, which is still 40 kilometers out, give or take.
Holding on to this.
Lots of trucks and stuff here. Right. Ready?
All right, here we go. Just waiting on you. Woo.
What's it all about? Well, we drove 4 hours, hung out for 20, and saw a lot of fish and seagulls.
No bears though.
No bears.
It's too later in the afternoon.
Yeah.
We have to be here at like what, 6 or 7 in the morning, or even earlier, 5.
Yeah, you need to at least be light though, otherwise you're not getting any photos.
Yeah, unless you camp closer to here. It's the only way.
Yeah, you gotta camp right up there or right back there somewhere.
Yeah. So we are gonna make it back through everything that we just drove through today, back to Lac La Hèche.
Lac La Hèche, yeah.
Campground. We should probably estimate be there just after 5. It's 1:13 right now.
Just after 5 would get us to where we started this morning.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, so how far is it? Like 7 hours then?
It's like 6 or 5 and a half.
6 hours?
5.5.
Oh, well, this will be interesting. Okay. I probably won't film anything else unless something interesting happens. Otherwise, probably vlog the next time will be when we're on the campsite. We're just 24.8 kilometers back up the hill. Adrian went out to take a picture of some hawk. Just pulled over to the side of the road. Also, make note that, not that you guys care, but finally got my period. Yay! I knew it was gonna happen during this trip. At least it's near the tail end of the trip. So, awesome. Got it?
Yeah. I tried to get on the other side of it because we're now used backlit, but
I thought you saw a bear. Stopped up just right where we got gas across to get some food in me because I was starting to get a little bit tired behind the wheel. Also, check this out. You don't really see these every day anymore. A payphone with a phone still actually there, which is impressive.
I think it's more of a knockoff, but
Sweet. Is it still good?
it's probably dull.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like it's a little rusted. It's definitely a knockoff. But seen some damage, but an axe is an axe.
Hope that wasn't a murder weapon. Good. Picked up an axe.
Yeah.
A free axe. That's a bit of a knockoff from Fisker's, I guess.
It's like spray painted orange bottom part of the handle. A little rusty, a little beaten up, but
Trade you. Yay.
we are here
Again. But it's a great campsite because it has facilities. Let's see what campsite we can get.
That way. So the farther down we are, the farther we are from the highway. But being close to facilities is nice.
Yeah. This is where the RV was. We can go here.
Yeah.
So this one's like right next to it. Oh yeah. It'd be funny if the people were still there. It's like, hello again.
If they remembered us.
The guy saw me this morning because he was walking his dog when I got up. So.
Oh, at the last site.
Yeah. No, this site. When I got up that morning
Oh, that morning, yeah.
to go to the bathroom, he was walking his dog.
Yeah.
Holla! That was a long ass drive for me. That was like almost just over 700 kilometers.
Yep.
Let's see, altogether trip A, 1,879.6.
1,800? Not bad.
Spider. That's nice. I need to get through that door, so I need you to move on over. Away. Please. Oh, can't even see us. Oh, there we go. in. Oh. So much better job today than yesterday, where the wood is actually dry.
Really dry.
Really dry.
Really crackly dry.
Yeah. Look at that lovely sound. That sound is what you want to hear. It's the best sound ever. But today's been pretty good. This is better. Although this is like going crazy. Okay, well, I'm gonna end the video. This day was a very long day. Fortunately, we didn't get to see the bears like we wanted to. We saw a lot of cows.
Lots of fish.
Saw a few deer. Some horses. Some fishes jumping up and out of the water. It was a very long day.
Some interesting mountain sounds.
I think yesterday was still my favorite day. And part of day 3.
Yeah.
Half of day 3. First part of day 3, favorite.
But the backtracking and the extra distance
Was not my tea. Otherwise, we're gonna discuss what we're gonna do tomorrow, so we'll let you know in the next video. Be safe, be well, bye!